Why should we never rinse our mouth after brushing our teeth? Why should we never rinse our mouth after brushing our teeth? Experts warn that mouthwash leaches out fluoride and leads to cavities. We've all heard the traditional advice from dentists to keep your mouth healthy: brush your teeth twice a day and cut down on sugar. But why do some of us, carefully following these recommendations, still need to install seals? It turns out that these two tips are not enough to protect yourself from caries. It's not enough just to brush your teeth, you also need to do it right. Many of us are limited to brushing, which lasts 30 to 40 seconds, but its effect is negligible, and no different than if we did not brush our teeth at all. The main task of a toothbrush is to remove bacterial plaque from the teeth, so this process must be given at least 2 minutes. If the plaque is not completely removed, then it will provoke caries. At the same time, electric toothbrushes are more effective than traditional ones. It is extremely important to use toothpastes containing sufficient amounts of fluoride, at least 1,350 to 1,500 ppm, this is the concentration in parts per million. It is this concentration that prevents the development of caries. You can see this indicator directly on the packaging of toothpaste. And even more important is the use of dental floss, which helps to remove food debris trapped between the teeth. Finally, you should not rinse your mouth immediately after brushing your teeth, although most people have special cups prepared for this. After rinsing, we wash off all the paste that has just been applied to the teeth, so that its effect is reduced to zero. Dentists strongly advise not to rinse your mouth, but to spit excess toothpaste into the sink. Leave the fluoride on your teeth for it to take effect. After brushing your teeth in the evening, it is not recommended to eat or drink anything else, except for ordinary water. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.